Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be unboxing and checking out the Yanmai SF777 to see if it has a good audio quality for your YouTube channel, streaming, podcast, or whatever you're into. So after unboxing, I found out that it has a pop shield and a wind socket with it, with a tripod which is made up of plastic. So let's see how the audio quality is like. This is an audio test of the Yanmai SF777 and the microphone is currently 15 centimeters away from me. This is unedited raw audio from the microphone and I have done no editing. The audio gain is set to about 90% and this is how it would sound like if I type into my keyboard. And it is a cardioid microphone, so that means it will only pick the noise and sound from the microphone in front of it, and it will pick less audio from back of it or from the sides of it. Now I'm gonna place the microphone really close to my face, and it is now about at 7 centimeters away from me, and this is how it would sound like if it was really close to me. I recommend using a boom arm extension for this microphone because the audio quality is much better when you have it really close to your mouth, and I do not recommend setting the audio gain to about 100% because that would mean a lot of noise will come directly inside the microphone. And now this is the edited audio from the microphone, and I have edited it in Adobe Audition using the EQ and multiband compressor, and this is how it would sound like if you were doing a podcast or something. But in terms of streaming or live streams, this would not be edited and you would have to use OBS filters to enhance it. So tell me how you feel like the audio quality of this microphone is in the comment section below, and this is the Yanmai SF777.